The first platform on our list is Upwork, a marketplace for freelancers of all kinds. Upwork is a great option if you are looking for high quality talent for a long-term project. With Upwork, you can find skilled professionals in almost any field, from graphic design to programming. And one of the best advantages of Upwork is that you can set your own rates, especially for the entrepreneur. You can actually negotiate with clients directly. However, Upwork does charge a commission fee of 20%, which can be sometimes frustrating for new freelancers, and that is why I always recommend those who are actually starting off from scratch to get on Fiverr. But if you're looking at making extra money and you have real good talent, Upwork can even lead you to your dream job. Freelancer.com. So Freelancer is another platform for freelancers like Fiverr. Freelancer allows you to sell your services on a project by project basis. So Freelancer has a wide range of categories, including web development, writing, and marketing. And one of the benefits of Freelancer is that it offers low commission fees. So you don't need to pay the 20% on Upwork. You can just pay 10%, which Fiverr is going to deduct from the money you are earning. And however, because Freelancer is open to anyone, it can be hard to stand out from the competition. So Freelancer is so competitive because any kind of person can just sign up today and get on freelancer.com. So the next on our list is People Per Hour. So if you're looking for a platform that is more focused on creative services, People Per Hour might be the right choice for you, because People Per Hour is UK-based platform that connects freelancers with businesses in need of creative services. So one of the advantages of People Per Hour is that it offers a unique pricing system where freelancers can offer a fixed price packages on hourly rates. People Per Hour also has a strong community of freelancers which can help you find new clients and network with other professionals. This platform is really good if you are having a creative skill. So you can go ahead now and sign up on freelancer.com and get going. So the next on our list is Guru. Guru is another platform for freelancers and like businesses alike. Guru offers a wide range of services, from web development to legal services. One of the benefits of Guru is that it's a large pool of skilled freelancers which can help you find the right talent for your project. Guru also offers a unique payment system where you can pay freelancers by hour or by project. However, Guru charges a commission which is as high as 9%, and I recommend Guru to those who are already making money on other different platforms, because sometimes it's kind of slow. I don't really know, but for me it was not really the best. So TopTal. Finally, we have TopTal, a platform that specializes in connecting businesses with top 3% of freelancers in the world. So TopTal is focused, it's kind of focused on providing high quality time, high level projects such as software development, finance. One of the advantages of TopTal is that freelancers are rigorously tested and screened before you can actually sign up on TopTal. So you cannot just leave today as a random beginner and you just go sign up on TopTal. This means that you can be sure you are getting the best of the best. However, TopTal is also one of the most expensive platforms out there, with rates of starting at $60 per hour. So if you are really going to TopTal, you should be super proficient in whatever you're doing. So in conclusion, there are 5 great alternatives to Fiverr and so many others that can help you find the right talent for your next project or help you sell your services to a wider audience as a freelancer. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to consider your needs and budget for choosing one. Whether you're a freelancer or a business owner freelancer, these platforms can help you take your career to the next level. So thank you for watching this video, and if you actually had some value or discovered something new, please give this video a like and turn on notification buttons for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Ciao.